Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want to give my take on Forex, especially if you're a Kenyan or you're in the Forex industry. You know exactly what I'm talking about. So Forex, for those who don't know what Forex is, basically Forex is the currency exchange rates between countries or nations. For instance, the dollar to the Kenyan shillings pair, I think last week it was around 147, 140s. Um, so, for instance, if you're speculating that the dollar against the shilling will be weaker, you buy the dollar, and if you're speculating that the dollar to the Kenyan shillings will be stronger, you sell the pair. So Forex is all about speculation, and I'll say that is exactly what defines Forex. It's not gambling, it's speculation. Back to the point. It takes a lot to be a trader. So, so many people who have an idea of what Forex is, or they have their own reasons. They want some quick money by lying to you. They'll come in so many ways and try to make money out of you being a newbie in the industry or having an interest. Maybe you're just chilling somewhere, minding your business, and they come to you like, there's a way you can make some quick money. Who doesn't wants to make money? So you'll join blindly. I'll say before you join the Forex industry, you need to learn. You need to take a lot of time learning. It takes a lot. The average time for you to be profitable, maybe 2 to 3 years. No one will tell you that. But I think you should take your time to understand what Forex is. Most of the traders, not only Kenyans, worldwide, some of them, they'll come in the form of opening YouTube channels. And don't get me wrong, some people are so genuine, and most people, like me, I learned through YouTube. I didn't pay a dime to learn Forex. Some of them come and give their lessons, what they have learned so far, how they became profitable, some strategies. So that is okay. But some people, they'll come and open their channels and market themselves or trade live. For someone to come and trade live and give you their win rates on the screen, you'll think, well, this person is genuine. But no, that is not the case, because someone can have a win rate of up to 80%, but how dare you to stay on that live for around a week and check their stop loss. They have over 300 pips of stop loss, which is not ideal, because in their end, they will not, the worst that can happen is a BE, because they have huge accounts, or they are trading on demo, who knows. But for you who has a normal account, and or you're starting up, you'll easily blow your account, because it doesn't accommodate those levels of pips. And I would say this: if you want to learn exactly what Forex is, maybe I can make 2 to 3 videos for free in YouTube, so that when people are talking about Forex, so if you're interested on Forex, I'll give you the basics, so that when people talk about pips, TP, and everything, you'll understand what I'm talking about. And it's not something complex, very easy, the terms and the aspect of Forex, but it takes a lot to win. So in the field of YouTube, not everything you see. People, they come and sell courses. I don't believe in courses. I don't know. You'll make your own decision, but I think you should learn on your own, because courses, You pay almost $1,000 to learn something in a very short period of time, and the person who is teaching you learned for free, and they like bragging that no one taught me. I don't have a mentor. I learned by myself. So why do you want people to pay you and you learned for free? So give us a break and tell people the truth. Yes, you can go to those courses, learn, but that will not be the end point of learning the whole aspect of Forex. You'll need years to understand, to learn the technical aspect of it, and then to the psychological part of it for you to be a consistent trader. So the courses is a no for me, but if you want to go for it, who am I to say no? So, and something else, Forex needs a lot of capital, huge amounts of capital. Otherwise, if you'll be trading with around $20, it will not take you that far, because Forex, people will lie to you that you'll make at the end of the month, but you will get very huge names outside there who are very true to you, but they are very few. They'll tell you that sometimes at the end of the month you make a negative, that is, you make losses. At the end of the month you can make profits. At the end of the month you can be at BE. You didn't make a loss or profit. So if you're trading with your $20, you're not working, you don't have any other side hustle, and you expect to make a kill out of Forex, it's not realistic. And I would advise someone that have a side hustle or have a full-time job. So if you're coming out of work, maybe you have the London station, maybe you're going for work around 10 a.m., you can trade the London station if you are a Kenyan. Or if you go for work and you come back home maybe, or you're free from 4 p.m., sorry, you can trade the New York session, but you have your other work. So it will take years for you to consider that Forex is your full-time job. Yeah. For me, I've learned for a very long time. I'd say I'm good, but I still have my hustles there. I still work full-time, but I trade the London session and the New York session. The first 2 hours and the last 2 hours for the first 2 hours for the New York session. So, coming back to the large amounts of capital you'll need, these are flashy traders. They show you a flashy lifestyle on YouTube. They'll not tell you that you need a lot of capital. They are promoting the brokerage firms. The brokerage firms sponsor them, or they are given a commission for you signing up for the brokers. But Forex, yeah, you might start with the brokers before you build your capital, but your end goal will be accumulating a lot of funds so that you can have a good strategy in Forex, or you can be professional, because Forex is not gambling. You're not supposed to risk more than 1% of your capital. Can you imagine 1%? So if you're trading for that $20, you can imagine 1%. You can't even buy you can't buy even anything with 1% of $20 in Kenya, for instance. So maybe you work full-time, you can trade with that $20. Maybe you use a smaller lot size, maybe 0.01, and you consider yourself that you're learning, because you're supposed to learn and learn and learn. So you can use your small capital, learn, and then after a while, after you've learned, you've trusted yourself, you have that confidence, you've accepted that Forex, you can lose or win. You see, at the end of the month, you can make a profit or loss, or you can be break even at the end of the month. So at that point, that's when you can go to the prop firms. The prop firms are proprietary firms where you buy an account, which is another game. Like, it's not that easy. You can spend your hard-earned money just buying an account, you blow it, because this is how prop firms work. I'll give you just the tip of it. If you want me to go deep inside, you can let me know in the comments. I'll make a video about that. So with prop firms, you buy an account and they give you a challenge. Maybe they'll tell you you're supposed to trade, by the end of the week you're supposed to have made this percentage of the account, and at the end of the month you're supposed, most of the times you're supposed to have gained 8% profit on that account. If you pass the challenge, that's when they fund you, and it goes from around up to $600,000. That is around 600 million Kenyan shillings. And for you, before you even think of prop firms, you're supposed to have done good, you're supposed to have learned, you're supposed to be profitable. Otherwise, if you just go to 2 weeks courses and then you go to buy a funded account, you will blow your money. So that is something else people don't tell you. So it needs a lot of capital, and that's when you'll be able to risk 1% depending on your RR. Just a minute. So the prop firms will allow to trade professionally, because these millionaires, they'll try to sell you a fake narrative that you can make millions of money in a week or in a day, or you can flip an account, which is not true. It is so far from the truth, because ideally you're supposed to risk maybe at most 3% of your account, but if you're a beginner, you should risk maybe 1% of your account. So it takes years for you to make those imaginary amounts. So something else, most people try to sell you signals. I don't believe in signals, because number one, if you took those long years trying to learn Forex or learning Forex, you paid thousands of dollars for these courses. The same person trained you to be a trader. The same person is here trying to sell you signals. How realistic is that? And then these signals, assuming now, if you're now a Forex trader, you will understand this. Assuming someone is telling you to buy this and this pair. For instance, they are telling you to buy GJ. And then you've not been in your phone to see that signal. Maybe you see it after even a minute. And then you enter that trade in 1 minute. In 1 minute. In that 1 minute, the market maybe would have reached the TP or the resistance. It's now retracing. Or the support, and it's now retracing. You lose your money. So signals can only work, number one, if you're getting it from someone who knows what they are doing. Number two, if you're on your phone 24 hours, because you're supposed to be there, get that signal instantly and enter it instantly, which is almost impossible. Because assuming you're working, you can't be on your phone throughout. And then when trading, someone who knows what they're doing, they'll tell you to be consistent. Show up every day. Because, or maybe you're taking those signals. Assuming today you take the signal, tomorrow you don't, the next day you do. And maybe the days you taking, because even these signal providers, they lose. Forex is all about speculation. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. So if you take the signal some days, other days you don't, maybe the days you're taking the signals, that's when the signal provider is losing. So if you get into the Forex industry, my opinion, learn and trade it on your own. Trade it on your own. And don't be threatened by these flashy lifestyles. Yeah, and someone else I saw somewhere, if you're in the forex industry, you know this guy who has been showing us his life here and there is not Kenyan. So this guy gets a job. He gets employed in an academy by a prominent trader. We don't know if he's honest or not, and he's given a free forex, a free funded account, these challenge accounts. I don't know if he was given a direct entry to the account without the challenges. And of course, and is made to be an agent for a broker. No, for these funding accounts, for this pro farm. In these streets, people can lie, and most of the people lie. So someone will know exactly that it's not forex that has given him or her that lifestyle. Maybe he has been sponsored or is an agent of certain firm. So they sponsor their YouTube videos, and you come here telling people that it's forex. You're lying. And you're not even honest enough to tell your subscribers that go and buy these funded accounts, or do this, or open a YouTube channel the way you have a YouTube channel, so that they can have other sources of income. You see, because as I told you in the beginning, you must have another source of income. You can't make forex your only source of income unless you've reached that level where you've traded for so many years, you've learned, you're consistently profitable in everything. But just coming here in 2 months, you're telling people that you've made it, you're lying. So I think that's all. Be very careful in these streets, because the level of dedication, focus, and patience it takes someone to be profitable in the forex industry, it's unmatched. So unless you get to that level, you still have a long way to go. And something else before I close off. Forex is legit, but it's not easy. The way these millionaires sell you this lifestyle, it's not that easy. It takes a lot to be profitable. You must make losses, and you must learn for years. Yes, there is this 1% that can make it in maybe 2 to 3 years. And something else, statistically, it's said that only 5% of millions of traders trading worldwide, only 5% are profitable. Can you digest that? Only 5% are profitable. So you already know what that means. It takes a lot to be very profitable. It takes a lot to be profitable, and these people are lying. So if you want to know exactly what forex is, you don't have to have an interest of trading. You just want to know what forex is, so that when someone you know wants to enter into forex, you can advise them what exactly forex is. You can let me know so that I can make 2 to 3 videos and post it for free. But you have to like and subscribe, you can let me know so that I can make a video. And then until next time, bye.